create templates that are evergreen where you just have to switch things very simply, so you could literally put in a new product within 1 hour and test one product every single day. And that's the pro of using a one product general store. Hey guys, what's up? In this video I got a pretty interesting video regarding general one product stores. But before we get into the video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting courses with me. The winners here. All you have to do to qualify is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like this video, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. And if you guys watch to the very end, I actually teach you guys how to go ahead and scale from a general one product store to a niche one product store. So watch to the very end. Other than that, let's get right into the video. General one product store. What most people are doing is they're finding one product, such as the ab machine. They go ahead and buy a domain for that one product, such as easyabs.com. They set up a store for that one product, so they spend time, make easyabs.com, set up the store and make it look all nice and fancy. And 4, if the product does not work, they repeat the process. So if easyabs.com didn't work out, they go ahead and find a new product, say the back fixture sort of brace. Then they go ahead and buy backfixture.com. They set up a store for that one product. If it doesn't work, they repeat that process. And that's sort of what most people are doing, and it's so inefficient. Cons. What happens if that one product doesn't sell? 1, you wasted $12 purchasing the domain. You wasted a lot of time and energy just to test a product that is not proven. And literally that means you're spending 1 week per product, and that's just not sustainable, and you're not going to find winners doing that. It's just too slow. What I then suggest instead is one product general stores, such as todayssteals.com, singlehotproduct.com, featuredinterestingproduct.com. We could have basically a template for a store where you switch in different products every single day. That will allow you to test like one product every single day with that one product type of store format. Pros, you can literally test unlimited amount of products with this one product general store. You don't have to waste money purchasing multiple domains for every single product you test. You just keep to these general store domains. 3, you can now prove products before you go ahead and create easyabs.com, backfixture.com. You can prove it on your general store. One product general store. So the difference between a general store and a one product general store is a general store is just a general store, say todayssteals.com. It has like hundreds of products on the home page. Whereas a one product general store is when you go to todayssteals.com, all you see is a featured one product. There's a nice image, video, description, and then there's a product add to cart at the bottom. Like, it's very simple. You could create an easy template where you can just simply plug and play different products every single day. So every single day you just switch out the video, switch out the images, have all your descriptions and text be a template where you just have to change out the title. That's a hack that I'm going to give away to you today. So all your paragraphs, all your text, all your descriptions, all you have to do is just switch out the products. Like the Easy Ad Machine is very high quality. Switch it out to the back corrector is very high quality. Create templates that are evergreen where you just have to switch things very simply, so you could literally put in a new product within 1 hour and test one product every single day. And that's the pro of using a one product general store. Now, how to go ahead and scale, I promised you guys scaling, so I'm going to give it to you guys now. When you find a winner on your one product general store, you want to actually keep the store as is with your sort of today's steals. Today's item is the ab machine. There's all the images or the pictures or the description. They could go ahead and purchase it. You want to keep the store as is. All you have to do is switch out the domain from todayssteals.com, switch it out to easyabs.com on Shopify. So you don't have to create a new Shopify store whatsoever. And then all you have to do is create a new Facebook page for easyabs.com, and you can actually use the same pixel you had on the general one product store with this new easyabs.com. And it's literally that simple when it comes to scaling. But yeah, that's the video. Short and simple, straight to the point. I don't want to draw this video out any longer. That's the whole process, and I highly recommend general one product store. Like, if you're gonna do the one product store route, I highly recommend general one product stores. Question of the day: what is your current dropshipping setup? Do you have a general store, one product store? What do you currently do? I want to hear your answers below. Other than that, if you guys want these slides, they're completely for free. Just check out the description below. I don't ask you for anything. They're completely for free because I know some people love to have these on their computer just so they could use it as reference. So I give away these PowerPoints because I want to give you guys as much value as possible. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.